Hey everyone, if you're trying to generate a project in Bolt AI and keep getting a generation failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Bolt AI generation failed problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try generating the project again. Temporary platform glitches can sometimes interrupt AI requests and prevent the generation process from completing successfully. Next, check your internet connection. Bolt AI relies on cloud-based processing, so a weak or unstable connection can cause requests to fail before they reach the servers. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can create compatibility issues that interfere with AI-powered tools and project generation. Another helpful step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes prevent cloud applications from working correctly, and that's how to fix Bolt AI generation failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, simplifying prompts, updating your browser, and disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.